In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Slack incoming webhook, a handy tool for sending automated messages to your Slack channels. This can be particularly useful when you want to keep your team in the loop with automatic alerts and updates from various systems, like Airflow. Now let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Slack API website. This is the central hub where you can manage your Slack apps and integrations. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. At this point, what you're going to do is create a new Slack app within the workspace where you want this integration to happen. Think of this like establishing a direct line of communication between your applications and your Slack channels. After you've created your app, the next crucial step is enabling the incoming webhooks feature for your brand new app. This feature is what allows your external applications to send messages into Slack. Now that you've enabled incoming webhooks, it's time to add a new webhook to your desired Slack channel. This is the channel where you'll want to receive those automated messages. It's important to choose the correct channel because this is where all your communication will flow. Whether it's a general, team-specific, or dedicated alert channel, make sure it aligns with your team's workflow and preferences. Once you've selected the appropriate channel, you'll generate a webhook URL. This URL is essentially a unique address that your external systems, such as Airflow, will use to send messages to the selected Slack channel. It's like giving someone your mailing address so they can send you letters, but in this digital form. It's crucial that you copy this webhook URL. It's going to play a key role when configuring the system to send messages through this specific Slack channel. Remember to handle this URL with care, because sharing it allows others to send messages to your Slack workspace, which might lead to unwanted notifications or security issues. Always ensure that it's stored securely and isn't disclosed unnecessarily. Before wrapping up, let's recapitulate the importance of each step. Creating a Slack app within your workspace establishes a foundation for integration. Enabling the incoming webhooks option is like opening the door to let in messages from your applications. Adding a webhook to your chosen channel is equivalent to setting up a specific pathway for these messages to reach their intended destination. Finally, securely managing your webhook URL ensures that this communication channel remains safe and effective. That's it. With these steps, you're now all set to have Airflow or any other compatible system send messages directly into your Slack channel using the newly set up webhook. This integration can significantly streamline notifications and improve team collaboration. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this Slack feature to be as convenient and powerful as many do in enhancing team communication.